YouTube is all about subscribers, and one of the key metrics to measure success on YouTube is the number of subscribers your channel has. More subscribers mean more views for your videos. Tip number 1. Create engaging and informative content. Build your content around a specific audience. Ensure that you plan your video script ahead of time so that all the relevant points are covered and you don't flood the viewers with unnecessary information. If you feel that there is too much information in one video, break it down into several videos. Viewers like it when you use a good example every once in a while. Use examples as much as you can and make sure that they are from high-quality sites. Add visuals to your content to make it more appealing. Always start your videos with an interesting hook that will make people want to continue watching the rest of the video. Tip number 2. Create and publish videos frequently. According to Social Media Examiner, YouTube channels that publish more than once a week perform better than those that don't. When someone subscribes to your channel, they get a notification in their email whenever they upload a new video. If someone gets an email notification once a week, it's more likely that they will engage with your video, especially if the content is original, engaging, and informative. Tip number 3. Optimize your YouTube videos. Optimizing your videos helps your content rank higher on YouTube. People who see your videos are likely to also interact with your content. To ensure that your videos reach the right audience, you can optimize a number of video elements such as the title, description, video, and other meta tags. Tip number 4. Create high-quality videos. People don't like to watch videos that have poor audio and video. If you have a professional video in place, people will take you seriously and engage with your videos. Following these simple steps can help you build your reputation as a professional. Make sure that you record your video in a quiet atmosphere with no ambient noise in the background. Use good recording equipment so that the audio is clear. Also, remember to watch the input volume meter while you are recording. Tip number 5. Promote your videos on other platforms. If you want your video to reach people outside YouTube, it's a smart idea to promote your videos on other platforms. The first thing you can do is look at the platforms which you already use. Facebook and Instagram are good places to start, but you can also leverage a lot of other platforms as well. When you post something on Facebook, include the link to your YouTube video along with it. Apply the same strategy with Twitter, Instagram, and other social media sites. Last but not least, despite these realities, your video may not have many views until long after. In this regard, you must manually add views and likes through the website mentioned at the last of the video. This website provides your channel with likes and views, which prompts YouTube to propose to viewers everywhere. So, your channel benefits from a push forward.